Welcome to another part of how to make a clicker simulator in Roblox in 2025. And in this part we will be creating data stores and upgrade shop UI. And we will start by making the saving, so go to our leaderstat script and we will edit it a lot. So first we will get our data store, so local ds equals to game get service data store service. And then we will create our data store, so local data store, or let's call it player data, equals to data store get data store. And now you will name your data store, so let's name it player data. So go to the end of the player edit function and let's do local player user id equals to player, and we can do anything, you just need a player.user id there. Then we will do local success and error message equals to pcall function, and we also need a data, so local data and data equals to player data get async and the player user id there. If success, then, and now it's time to create our save function, so local function save data, and we will have a player there, and we will copy this, it has to be exactly the same. And let's create our data, so local data equals to, and that will be a table. And what we do, we have cache and we have clicks, so cache equals to player.leaderstats.cache.value. Then we will do comma and clicks equals to player.leaderstats.clicks.value. Now we will do this again, so copy this thing and paste it there, but we won't be doing get async, we will be doing a set async, and there will be the player user id and data. Now we can print if the data was saved or not, so if success, then print, and maybe something like data for .player.name was saved. And we can do else, and we can copy this, but instead of print we can do warn, because print and warn does pretty much the same thing, but print is a normal text and warn is orange text. And before we continue with the video, please go check out this game. It's called Monster Showdown, made by Aureum Realms. In this Roblox game you are killing monsters, buying new weapons and unlocking new areas, buying new pets and bunch of other stuff. So yeah, at least try this game. The game link is down in the description. You can also join our group, it's also down in the description, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and the link for that is also down in the description. And that's it, let's get back into the video. And we can say not saved. And what we can do now in this player edit function is that we can set our data to the cache and clicks, so clicks equals to data.clicks. Oh, we need to rename it there, so let's do capital C there and data.clicks. This has to be exactly like this, and then we can do cache equals to data.cache, and the cache there doesn't have to be capital because we didn't have capital there. But now we need to call this function. We want to call this function every time a player leaves the game, so we will do game get service players dot player removing connect function, and we will get the player there, and then we will call this function, so save data, and we will pass the player there. But to make it even better, we can do game bind to close function, and then we will loop through every player, so local plr equals to game get service players get players, and for I comma plr in players do save data plr So yeah, this should save our data every time the game shuts down or every time the player leaves. But we will add one more thing. We will have a variable and we will call it level. And basically the level will tell us how much clicks we should get. Same thing with the price. So upgrade price. And we can rename it like this. And maybe set it to 100. But we need to save the level and upgrade price too. So let's go to our save data function. And we need to remove it from leader stats. Just have it inside the player. Copy this. Paste it there. Rename it to level. And remove the leader stats there and rename this to level. Now we can copy this, paste it and rename it to price and price or upgrade price. So that's it. Now we need to load it. So level equals to data.level and upgrade price equals to data.upgrade price. I will show that the saving works now. So for the first time we will get this error, but that doesn't matter. That's because we played this game for the first time. So now we can get some clicks. I will close this. We can get some clicks, sell them. So we have 13 cash and 5 clicks. Now we can leave the game. So as you can see, data for Adamor52 was saved. So now when we join the game again, we will get our data. And we didn't get it for some reason. So I found the issue. We didn't set the value. So dot value and put the dot value everywhere there. So yeah, now it should work. So now when I join the game, it will give me 0 clicks and 0 everything, because previously I left with zeros. As you can see, we have leader stats and we have cash 0, clicks 0. Upgrade price is 100 and level is 2 for some reason. Oh, that's because I set it to 2. Let me quickly fix it. So it's 1. And let's get some clicks. So now we have 5 cash, 9 clicks. We can leave the game, go to leader stats and change the level to 1 and play the game again. And as you can see, we can go to leader stats, cash 5, clicks 9, level 1. And upgrade price is also 100. So that's all for data saving. Now we will create the upgrade shop UI. So duplicate this thing and I don't know, move it there, maybe, doesn't matter where, and rename it to upgrade shop. So I have changed it a little bit. Now it says upgrade and I have also changed the color. Go to remote events, duplicate this remote event and let's do open UIs. And now let's go to starter GUI and insert a new screen GUI. Let's do ignore GUI inset to true and rename it to upgrade UI. And this isn't a UI tutorial, so I won't be creating something special. It will be just a simple frame where you will be able to upgrade your clicks. So let's call it a main frame. And let's add a text button, or let's copy the text button from our click UI and insert it there. Remove the image label and insert the text label. Set the position 2.5, set the anchor point 2.5 and set the size 2.9. Background transparency will be 1 and I will set it to Fredoka 1. Change the text to X, or it can also say close, and text scaled to true, but I will set it to X there. And we can also add a UI stroke. So this will be our close button. I think I can scale it a little bit more. Text button, let's insert a local script and let's remove the get clicks from this and let's rename this local script to close. Local PLR equals to game get service players dot local player. Local player UI equals to player dot player GUI, and we will do script dot parent dot mouse button one click connect function player UI dot upgrade UI dot enabled equals to false. Now we can add a text. So I will copy this text from my close button and paste it there. And I will call this title and set it to maybe like upgrade clicks, duplicate it, and this will be the price. So price, this will be the current level, so current level, and this will be the next level, so rename it to next level. And let's make it say next level. I think we can put it a little more up. Current level, next level, and price. And let's script those now. So let's insert a local script. Local plr equals to game get service players dot local player player dot level colon get property changed signal, and we will do value, then we will do connect function, and we will do script.parent.text equals to, now we will copy the text, so there, current level, and dot player dot level dot value. And we can also do this, so, and let's put wait for child level, and maybe, I don't know, put 15 there. Now copy this script and paste it to the next level, and we will do +1. Same thing with this, and also change the current to next. Now we will do the same thing with the price, so price there, price dot value, and let's put it there. And we also need to do this, so player dot price. I can also rename this text button to close button and duplicate it and move it somewhere and rename it to upgrade button. Remove the UI aspect ratio, and I don't know, you can scale it and position it however you want. I will give it a green color, and I will also make the text say upgrade. Now create another remote event and let's call it upgrade clicks. Now create another server script and I will call it upgrade clicks, or we don't need to do that. We can go into our get clicks and we can make that there. So game get service replicated storage, wait for child upgrade clicks, wait for child remote events 15, wait for child upgrade clicks, and 15 dot on server event connect function, and let's put the player there. So player dot level dot value plus equals to 1, and player dot cache dot value or player dot leader stats dot cache dot value minus equals to player dot upgrade price dot value. And this reminded me that I probably did it wrong there, so go to price text, yeah, player dot upgrade price, not player dot price. This would give us an error, but now we fixed it, and also there. And what we can do with upgrade price? Well, you can do anything now, but I think I will do something simple, so player dot upgrade price equals to level times or player.level.value times 2, or not 2, 100. So if we would have level 2, our next price would be 200. But you can play around with it, it's just math, so yeah. But don't forget to put .value there, so .value. So that's the upgrade server side. Now we can go to the local side. So go to upgrade button and rename the close script to upgrade. If player.leaderstats.cache.value is greater or equals to player.upgradePrice.value, then what we will do is we will fire the server. So game.replicatedStorage.remoteEvents.upgradeClicks fire server script.parent.textColor free equals to color free.new, and we will change the color to be red, and we will also change the text script.parent.textLabel, not text color, text label, and text label too, and now text equals to not enough cache. Now we can wait 2 seconds and copy this, change this to upgrade, and change this to be white. We can also add a debounce, so local debounce equals to false. If debounce equals to false, then debounce equals to true, and we forgot to put this there. And then we can do wait to debounce equals to false, and then we can copy this and paste it there. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. Now we just need to open this UI every time we open this thing. I will make this pretty modular, so we will use this OpenUI's remote event to open any UI that we would want to. So go to the touch part in the upgrade shop part. If you want to get this model, you can go to my Discord server, and after you reach level 10, you will get access to a special channel where you will be able to find this model and other stuff too. But let's continue now. So cell clicks, no there. We will want to go there, and yeah, there. And rename it to OpenUI. And instead of selling this, we will do game.replicatedStorage.remoteEvents.OpenUI's fire server or fire client player, and then we will do player.playerGUI.upgradeUI. Now we can go to the starter player scripts and insert the local script, and let's rename it to OpenUIs. And then we will do game get service, replicated service, wait for child, remote events 15, wait for child, OpenUIs 15 dot on client event connect function. And then in these brackets let's put our UI, and we will do UI.enabled equals to true, and that's basically it. We can disable this UI, and we can publish it to Roblox, and we can test it. Nope, I forgot one more thing. Go to get clicks, and this first function, don't do +1, let's do player.level.value. So yeah, and we may also want to do one more thing, so maybe let's go there and do local plr equals to game get service players dot local player UI equals to player dot player GUI. If UI equals to player UI dot upgrade UI, then or equals to then UI dot and we need to find how we named it. So player, so UI.nextlevel.text equals to, let's go there and copy this, paste it there, UI.current level.text equals to, now go to current level and copy this, and UI.price.text equals to, let's go to price and let's copy this and paste it there. And I think this is everything, so yeah, let's test it. So the price for the next upgrade is 100. So when we go there, yeah, as you can see, it updated. So current level 1, next level 2, price 100. If we click there, not enough cash. So we can sell our cash, our clicks, and get cash. And as you can see now, I have cash 102, the level is 1. Now we can go to the shop and click upgrade. Current level 2, next level 3, price 200. Not enough cash, because we don't have 200 cash. And as you can see, it decreased our coins, our cash, and upgrade price is 200. And now if we go to clicks and if we click, we get 2 clicks because our level is 2. So I quickly got 206 cash. We can upgrade again, and now we get 3 clicks. So as you can see, everything works. If we leave and we will join again back, everything will save. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, share and subscribe. In the next part I will be showing you how to make collectible currency and how to display your coins and clicks on your screen. And yeah, we just joined there, and as you can see, upgrade price, everything saved. And if we go to upgrade shop, the texts also change. So yeah, for the next part I want this video to have at least 10 likes. So yeah, get this video at least 10 likes and I will make another video on this. That's everything. See you in the next one.